The Ram 2500 is a heavy-duty pickup truck that stands as a testament to power, capability, and versatility. Part of the renowned Ram truck lineup, the 2500 is designed to handle demanding tasks while offering comfort and advanced technology for drivers. Available in various trims, including Tradesman, Bighorn, Laramie, Power Wagon, Limited, and more, the Ram 2500 caters to a wide range of needs, from work-focused utility to luxurious daily driving. Under the hood, the Ram 2500 offers impressive engine options. The standard engine is a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, delivering 410 horsepower and 429 lb-ft of torque, making it ideal for towing and hauling. For even greater capability, buyers can opt for the legendary 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel inline-six engine, which produces up to 420 horsepower and a staggering 1,075 lb-ft of torque. This diesel option ensures class-leading towing capacity of up to 20,000 pounds when properly equipped, solidifying the Ram 2500's reputation as a powerhouse in its segment. Built on a robust frame with a high-strength steel construction, the Ram 2500 provides durability without compromising ride quality. Its available rear air suspension system enhances load leveling capabilities and improves handling, whether empty or fully loaded. Inside, the cabin is spacious and refined, featuring premium materials, cutting-edge infotainment systems, and customizable configurations to suit both professional and personal lifestyles. Advanced safety features are also abundant, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies make the Ram 2500 not only powerful, but also secure and easy to maneuver. Whether you're tackling tough job sites or embarking on weekend adventures, the Ram 2500 delivers unmatched strength, innovation, and comfort, setting the benchmark for heavy-duty trucks.